Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Hello dear audience. Now I am going to share how can you speak English, how can you learn English. First of all, if you want to improve your English language, if you want to learn English, you have to memorize some vocab. First time no need any lots of vocab, no need any advanced vocab. After learning some vocab, you try to learn tense, modals and some others rules. After learning, try to make a sentence. No need any long sentence, no need any advanced sentence. After making sentence, try to practice this vocab and rules, try to apply. And when you meet with your friend, that time you can conversation with him speaking English. When you go outside for travel and any kind of situation, you try to describe the situation. When you are learning, practicing, that time also you will mistake. But mistake is doesn't matter. Every person not perfect. Every person learning time, practicing time, do mistake. When we are speaking Bangla, that time also we do mistake. When others person can understand our speak, then any mistake is doesn't matter. Same to English is not our country language. When we are learning, that time also we do mistake. After time you will amend this mistake. This is possible. And when you learning, practicing, you should reading, writing, listening is very important. Listening, writing, reading make us to good English speaker. And as well as you can see our country situation and others country situation. Also English is joined with everything. Our country top university top businessmen and others country top university top businessmen use this English. If you want to get lots of knowledge, if you want to improve in your life, you should learn English, because English is enhancing in the world day by day. Also English is global language, and every country use this English. Millions people is speaking English. So don't waste your valuable time. You try to learn English. I believe that if you do practice regularly, you will be English speaker. This is possible. Thank you very much for my watching video.